Introducing the Masthome 1-gallon glass storage jar, a versatile and practical solution for all your kitchen storage needs. Made from high-quality thick clear glass, this heavy-duty storage bottle is built to last without the worry of easily breaking. The seal ring is made of transparent food-grade rubber material, ensuring it is safe and healthy for your family to use. With a height of 10.4 inches and a diameter of 6.4 inches, this large jar has a generous capacity of 1 gallon, 3.9 liters. It is spacious enough to store grains, seeds, coffee, flour, sugar, cookies, candy, chocolate, and sweets. Additionally, it can also be used as a stylish display bottle in your home, office, cafe, or restaurant. The airtight design of this jar ensures that your stored items remain fresh for longer. The lid perfectly seals the jar, protecting your food from dampness and air exposure. To provide you with even more convenience, we also include 15 additional food storage bags. At Masthome, customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. For more information about this product, please refer to the ASIN B07VP2NLY4. With a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars and 681 customer reviews, this glass storage jar is a popular choice. It is ranked number 28,103 in the kitchen and dining category and number 230 in food jars and canisters. The product was first made available on July 28, 2019.